in it to win it. Look, even Lip's tougher than those guys. He's no quitter.
Please not call me that.
Excuse me, what?
I said, could you please not call me that?
I'll warn him not, Sensei.
No. Lip has something he wants to say. It's all right, speak up, Lip. Is your tongue messed up, too? You know those challenge kids?
The doctor said I could be on the spectrum.
I don't know what that is, but get off it pronto, all right? If you don't want me to call you Lip, then don't ever wear that when you still look like a freak. Oh, great, really? Another quitter? True power, and you guys will, too. Welcome to Cobra Kai.
Eli, what happened?
Wait, you the kid with the lip? Nice cut, though.